The subject of this video is the Microsoft Office apps for the iPhone. Once you've installed and opened it, you can see along the bottom you have the home, you have a feed, which is documents that you've been working on, created, and then you have apps to the far corner right. You can also download individual apps for your iPhone. Along the top you have recent documents. You can click on a document and view it. You can also do edits. You can look at what's shared with you. You can look at the cloud, so your OneDrive, and see what's there. If you've pinned any documents, those will be displayed. And the handy feature of being able to scan, you can scan to your OneDrive. Scan to notes, voice. You can also create a video. And you have your notes. So the application is all-encompassing. It allows you to do several things. There's your options for what you want to display. You have a search bar at the top, notifications. It's a great little app. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.